gym with the new Lat Pullover, the holy roller, Lat Pullover. Gonna give you guys a quick demonstration. Myself and Mel are gonna show you kind of how to jump in here and set up. Super easy, but with the grips in different height sizes, it's easy to use on a super functional, kind of universal for size. Just gotta understand where's the best place to place your hands. Not hard. Let me show you right now. So right here, I've already set the seat, come a little bit lower for my height, about 6 feet tall. You can be very comfortable and get a really good overhead stretch. Super easy to load in. I've already loaded one plate per side, kind of a good weight, good strength and kind of warm up weight for my size, and it works for me. Mind you, this is a tied together uni-rack on 2 pivot points, so you can load one side. If it's a little too heavy, throw 10s, 25s, 45s, but allow yourself to increase the weight so you can get the full effect of the range of motion. So full force range of motion. So right here, super easy to get into, and I'm placing my arms right on the pads as if I was to stretch, and then right here on the nice grip, and I just pull down and all the way around. Get a nice tight squeeze, like I'm setting myself up on a deadlift, just really dropping my lats in and tightening my chest, allowing for a full range squeeze as much as you can. And it's perfectly safe because right at the stopping point where it takes the weight is almost perfectly straight, vertical from your frame on the pivot point where it is right here with the rod. And so it is a very, very comfortable, very natural process feel with the full range of motion. So easy to load into. For somebody who's even like 230, nice and around, super simple. Got some good high compression foam underneath, the Cadora padding, upholstery, very simple, nice little setup. So awesome. Focus on your breathing, make sure you try it out. Cool. And then I'll set it up for Melanie's gonna demonstrate right now, super easy. You can just reach down, pull the pin, raise the seat. I'd recommend going up maybe second hole, right there. Go ahead, man. Yeah. So as you can see, Mel just goes up one height on the seat. She can reach back very comfortably instead of having to focus on reaching for the grips. Mind you, it's easy as long as she's making contact with the pads to use the upper arm to help with the rotation force, activating the lats and essentially your frontal rotator in the pec, giving a full stretch and around. She doesn't need to have to lift her arms to reach up here. She can just hold on to the sides. So that's super key with the technique of being able to use it if your reach is a little bit shorter. So there you go. Nice. Good stretch. Excellent. Yeah, perfect. Seat and easy enough to get in and out of, correct? Yeah, awesome. All right, you guys. This has been a very simple breakdown, but essentially, depending on your height and your reach, you don't always have to focus on trying to grab the center bar. You can reach right to the outside just like you're holding onto a rail in a roller coaster. So super fun. Come check it out here at the Warehouse, the Holy Roller Lat Pullover.